We're just kind of keep doing what we're doing right now is push the pace, move pucks quick, put pucks to the net, crash the net, play physical. I think that's the key of our success this year is we're a hard-working team, and that's what makes us a good hockey team.
Is it more or less kind of what you guys do rather than what they do?
I think we just got to concentrate on ourselves, do the little things right, and everything's going to work out into place.
What do you think, we're a couple months in now, what do you think this team could improve on?
I think our special teams could be a little bit better. We're working on it on practice, so we're trying to work hard. I think we just got to keep doing what we're doing, and we're a contending team right now. We just got to keep pushing the pace and just keep working hard.
When you look at practice this week, is there a certain focus this week?
I think we're working a lot on D zones, trying to defensively be a lot better. We're having a little bit of hard time in our D zone, so we're trying to work on that. And if that works out well, then I think everything's going to work out into place.
You guys are getting ready for a busy weekend, 3 games in 3 nights. As a player, how do you look at that?
Well, I think our coach prepares herself pretty well for a 3-3. It's her second one in a row. We got a couple days rest, and we're back to business right now. So we just got to concentrate, do little things right, then everything's going to go well.
Is it one of those things where, if you get a good start on Friday night, Saturday and Sunday are a little easier?
I don't think at all. It's game by game. You got to go in the first game and work hard, and same thing the next day. But we're focusing on Kalamazoo right now and try to get a W off of that.
All right. Thanks a lot, man.
Thank you very much.
Hey.